to my channel. I'm Country Wood Girl if you don't already know, and today we are going to be making a little, if it will focus, bookcase, just like this. Now this is actually something for me, I kind of need it just as a little bit of storage, and so we're going to be making this out of ash. It's actually quite wacky grained ash, so we're going to just see how that goes. Hopefully it'll be fine, so we're going to go mark that out, plane it up, get it through the saw, cut to size, and then we're going to be using a festal domino to domino it together, a sander, and then gluing it together and oiling. I hope you stick around to see the whole process of making this. If you do, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment below on what you think. And so, let's get to it, let's make it. parts out that we need for this shelving unit, cut to width and length. You can actually see there's some really cool figure going on in this wood. I don't know if you can see it, it's almost ripply, like flamey. With a bit of oil that should look really good. So the next step to do is to get this all dominoed together. I'm going to be using a Festool dominoer, but you could use a biscuit joiner, you could use grooves with slips in, anything that gives it some strength. If you're not got those kind of tools, don't worry, you could always use screws. Now, I recommend if you're going to use screws, do a 10mm hole first, which will fit the head of the screw in, and then plug them after, and you won't actually be able to tell that the screw's in there. You could even plug them with a different coloured wood to make it a bit of a contrast, a bit different. It's just an idea, but I'm going to be using the dominoer, so you won't be able to see anything, and it will be really strong. So let's get to that now. It's done! Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do smash that thumbs up button because it puts a massive smile on my face. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel, and let's see if we can grow this channel even further. There's plenty more videos like this on my channel. I think the finished product looks really good. Obviously it does want a little bit more decorating and a bit more time for the photos and stuff, but for now this is how it's going to be until I can go shopping for that kind of thing. And it seems to tie in really well with the other wooden things that I have around in my house. So again, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time everyone. Bye!